Our first guest is a former Dallas defensive lineman, LSU national champ, who keeps it very real on NFL Live and on ESPN and on his Swagu podcast.
Yes.
He's got very candid thoughts on sports, culture, and everything in between.
And when he's not talking sports, all right, he's enjoying his role as chief fry officer at the Louisiana Fish Fry, where he created an award-winning Big Swagu chicken sandwich, which, get this, has amassed nearly 3 million views.
What?
Yes. I want to try this bad boy.
A chicken.
A chicken sandwich.
A chicken sandwich. All right. Well, without any further ado, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, fans of all ages, please welcome to Studio 2B, the Big Swagu.
Yes.
Marcus.
There he is.
Hello, my darling.
How you doing? We hugging. I love it. I love it.
Good to see you. Good to see you. How are you?
Good.
Well.
Sound like y'all been having a lot of fun out
We're
here.
trying.
It's forced family fun.
I got
so
it.
welcome. welcome to our dysfunctional family.
Did you hear the story about the family member you want to cut out of your life?
I got a few of those. So
Yeah.
I don't need the story. I actually have them in real life that I would like to get rid of, but
they're there.
You know,
That's
blood thicker than water. So.
He's the emotional vampire, but I love him.
Really?
Yeah.
I love him.
Have you cut some family members off?
No.
Don't do it.
No.
You got to live with it for the rest of your life.
Right.
Don't
That's
do it.
right.
That's right.
That is exactly right. But like you said, we invite them over.
And then you talk about them.
And then when they leave, you talk about them.
Yeah.
Right.
Because they trifling. Yeah.
Trifling and all get out.
For sure.
Okay, for folks, we're a lifestyle show. I'm the only one who loves to talk about sports. No, you like to talk about sports.
I can talk about
You can.
Yeah.
You're.
It's like, what's that mean?
Why do his eyeballs just get like this big?
Yeah. I lean on her for it.
Okay.
For folks who don't know, you bring to life all things sports. You were an athlete. You played in the league. Bring us into your life a little bit.
Fun. Like, it all starts there for me. The foundation of what I do is fun.
Yeah.
I played football because it was fun and I enjoyed it. Once I got to the pros, if they would have stopped sending direct deposit, I would have quit. That wouldn't have been fun. But that, and then just following my passions is what I've been doing for a long time. But I think when you can make people laugh and feel good about themselves, you can get a long way.
And that's what you do that very well. I want to get your thoughts because we are in New York, right? And this is football season. New York Jets just had this whole big thing. They fired the coach, Robert Saleh. You're laughing about it.
They fired the most unimportant person in the building. Also,
I've been known to say things that ruffle a little feathers.
Thank God you did.
It's fine.
What do you want to say?
Well, you know, the Jets had this grand plan of how they were going to come into this season and like rip off wins and be Super Bowl champions.
Failed.
And not yet. That part hasn't failed. But what has failed is their idea of how easy they thought it would be just by inserting Aaron Rodgers.
Right.
And Aaron is still a really good player, playing at a high level. It's just more to it.
Right.
Like, that's why football is what it is. It's difficult and it's the ultimate team sport.
Listen, so is baseball.
So is baseball.
He's like a little sigh there before that.
I always say this.
This I can't wait to hear.
The difference between football and other sports is that if I don't do my job, the guy next to me could get his head knocked off.
This is 100% true.
Now, in baseball, as long as you're paying attention, you won't get your head knocked off.
You won't get your head knocked off.
Sometimes, because if you stand in the batter's box, sometimes that's a problem.
That's very true.
But football is the ultimate, like, because another guy's
it's depending on you.
His performance, think about a quarterback with no O-line. Just stand him out there without them 5 heavy guys in front of him.
O-line is the guy.
I get the offensive line.
You got it.
Okay.
If I need to be detailed,
sometimes she thinks I'm not that much of a. Never mind.
I did not realize you excelled in football and basketball.
Yeah, basketball was my love.
So why'd you go football?
Look at me. I couldn't guard LeBron. No.
No, but LeBron, you blow on him the wrong way and it's a foul.
It is, because he's I'm a LeBron guy.
So am I, him and Bronny.
Okay.
I mean, they're going to make history for 3 seconds.
Okay, you better be careful, bro.
It's okay.
Me and LeBron like this now. He don't know it, but
me and Brianna Stewart like this.
Oh, yeah, be still,
Wait a minute, who's better at basketball, you or your wife? For those who don't know, played in the W.
I have to go my wife because she played in the W.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? Like, I didn't go to the NBA. I'm better in football than her.
Well,
I believe it. I love this. And then you have a daughter who plays volleyball. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this gorgeous family.
I mean,
Yeah.
come
Look at all the talent.
Look at my people. So the two up top
That's
are
beautiful.
two family friends.
Yeah.
My son is Marcus Jr. My wife is in the middle looking like the queen she is. And me, I don't know why my shirt is that open.
You were feeling some type of way.
We went to a steakhouse.
Should I do
and
that? I'm like, what's
I felt
what's
sexy.
happening?
You should.
Please don't.
Here,
I felt sexy, so I
this is
left
good.
it.
Yeah, I mean, it's like even wider. You have like a third button.
When you go 3, you feeling good.
When you go 3
Yeah,
buttons down,
yeah.
you feel good.
It was almost 4 after
Whoa! Thank goodness
some
it wasn't.
sips. But I was all right. I look good.
I want to talk from sports to the chicken. We want to talk chicken for a second.
Yeah,
and how
let's
this
talk chicken.
how you kind of parlayed into that world.
Yeah, so I'm a foodie.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people are probably. But this Louisiana Fish Fry Company is who I partner with. And it's a labor of love because I grew up eating it. It started off as a fish fry, and now we moved into the chicken fry space. And the chicken fry has started this phenomenon. And Louisiana Fish Fry did a phenomenal job of traveling the country, finding people that could challenge my chicken sandwich. Which
That's when you know it's legit.
Which tonight we're gonna have an event where they think theirs is better than mine, but it's not possible.
Okay, there's only one way to settle all of this.
Yeah.
We're going. Let's go.
Well, let's walk and talk.
We're going.
Let's walk and
Well,
talk.
let's walk.
Did you know
I'm gonna
about this?
take my agua also.
Take your agua.
I can
It's a
walk
little
and talk.
spicy.
I'm
It's a little
coordinated.
spicy
What is
too.
the secret to your chicken fry?
Well, you know, a lot of people cook and they talk about the love that they put into a chicken sandwich
you
or
come
just food in general.
Yeah. But you.
It's no choice for me because if I don't make it with love, I'm too impatient to make it the right way.
Okay.
So
that.
the love for cooking is what keeps me patient.
And who taught you how to cook?
Grandmother.
Oh my God.
Grandmother and
They
mom.
always
I got to
do
give my
that.
mom
Yeah.
some credit too, but my grandmother I learned a lot by just being probably getting on her nerves, but I was picking up things unbeknownst to myself.
I love that.
Yeah.
And I love that for us because he picked
That
it up, and
means-
now we get to try it.
Okay.
This is yours.
That's mine.
This is
Y'all, now
You want-
let me ask you a question,
Oh,
okay?
boy.
Because I'm from the South. I'm from Louisiana.
okay.
And we eat big. And I know, like, sometimes when I come to New York, people like, because I've been to restaurants and they bring out like this little side of the,
A piece of kale.
and they like this is $170.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a full meal when I cook.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
All right. You want to
let's
take this
enjoy.
bad boy?
I mean,
You want me
Did
to,
they-
I don't
did
think you
they-
can cut it.
can we cut it?
yeah, you
You
can
want
cut
to try
it.
to cut that?
What
Look
is
look
what
how
is
gooey.
what is in
you
this
got that
chicken
full egg.
sandwich?
All right, so obviously you got the chicken breast. Sometimes I use chicken thighs. It depends on what you want to use.
Okay.
That's really
I'm
key.
team chicken thigh all day.
Yeah, team thigh, team dog meat. And then an egg over medium, which is a requirement
Look at this,
because
look
I
at
think texture-wise it does something. And then the sauce. I know. Tell them you'll be back later.
Look at this business.
I'll be back later.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go have a moment with this.
And the only reason I'm not eating is because I'm not in my window yet.
What
For what?
Intermittent fasting.
Oh, stop it.
I'm in my window right
It's the
now.
only. It's the only way I keep this one pack somewhat respectable.
Wait, you know what? I might be team chicken thigh now.
You need to be chicken. The crisp.
Be honest with me,
is
y'all.
crispy.
All right.
It's the crispness. It's everything.
Because I don't like when people like. I
Do
know
it just
some
for
of these.
show?
I know some of these food shows.
I know.
Let me tell you-
They really don't like what they.
delicious.
Yeah.
No.
Let me tell you something. If I don't
Okay.
take more than one bite, if you ever see me on TV, I take a bite and I put it down, I'm giving
That-
my secret away.
That's
If I'm
his.
still
That's his
holding
tell.
it, and I'm
That's his
still
tell.
holding on to it,
Yeah.
and I'm going back.
I put it down because one of us has to talk. So
For
he's
sure,
so
for
he's
sure.
gonna stuff his face.
That's not me. Sorry.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
On all of the things.
Thank you.
So the competition is tonight.
Tonight, and I'm doing it with a guy, Brian Kinca. He's a phenomenal YouTube guy, and Inez from Bon Appetit Test Kitchen.
Excuse you.
Well, everybody relax. Look, I'm a big deal. So the people that I deal with are big deals too, okay? Like y'all, it's a big deal.
Yeah. I'm good to tell right now.
I'm going to take a little bit of this energy. I'm going to bring it to the ballpark tonight. Geek it, and the rest of the Dodgers ain't got nothing on this,
That's
okay?
right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Mets
Awesome.
Yankees? Mets, Yankees?
I have to.
Oh, you see the OMG Mets
Yeah.
too? Okay.
I have to say that because I'm next to her today.
All right.
He makes
Perfect.
You know,
So-
she's the first female Latina announcer for the
No,
Mets.
he don't care. But
Turn
it's
up.
fine.
Turn up, Marisol.
I'm
does
gonna
care.
bring some of this. Can these
I
be
do
my
care,
booth? Can these be
actually.
my booth snacks?
Yeah, booth snacks.
Okay, good.
Booth
Okay.
snacks.
Oh, you better make sure you can make it through the game.
Better put.
Yeah.
Catch
put you to
Marcus
sleep.
on ESPN, and if you would like to find out which chicken sandwich wins the challenge, go to 26 Bridge Street in Brooklyn tonight from 7 to 9.
I already know.